With bullets flying overhead, the trenches of the First World War were always cold, muddy, and you never knew which day would be your last. This could be the hellish battlefield anywhere from Ypres to the Somme. But it's not. It's actually in a former teacher's back garden. Military historian Andrew Robertshaw built the network of trenches, complete with kitchen, infantry room, officers' dugout, even barbed wire and sandbags, to see what life was really like on the battlefields of the Great War.
The guys came in, they were a mixture of archaeologists that I dressed up to give them an idea about what it might be like, and also to inform them next time they did some work, and some reenactors. Every single person, within about half an hour, said, I wasn't ready for this. No matter how much planning they'd done, how much they thought they knew absolutely nothing.
It's certainly an extreme garden makeover. You might say it's even a bit over the top.